You aren't stuck because you lack time. You're stuck because you keep giving your time to a screen that gives you nothing back. Every scroll feels like a break, but it's actually stealing your focus, your creativity, and your growth, one swipe at a time. And the worst part, you don't even notice it happening because scrolling feels harmless in the moment. So in this video, I'm giving you 13 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually improve your life. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to pick up instead. Because until you replace the habit, you'll never break it. 1. Reading. Reading isn't just entertainment, it's mental weightlifting. Because every page you read forces your brain to focus longer than any scroll ever could. That's exactly why people who read regularly think clearer and stress less. So pick up a book tonight instead of your phone, because a trained mind always beats a distracted one. 2. Journaling. Journaling isn't just writing, it's clarity on paper, because getting your thoughts out of your head stops them from looping all day. That's why people who journal make decisions faster and worry less. So write a few lines daily, because a clear mind builds a clear life. 3. Walking without your phone. Walking without your phone isn't just movement, it's mental reset, because silence lets your brain process what scrolling never lets it finish. That's exactly why your best ideas hit you mid-walk. So leave the phone behind, because clarity finds you in the quiet. 4. Cooking. Cooking isn't just a task, it's a skill that pays you back daily, because every meal you make builds discipline and self-reliance. That's why people who cook feel more in control of their life. So make one meal from scratch this week, because control over your plate builds control everywhere else. 5. Learning an instrument. Learning an instrument isn't just a hobby, it's brain training in disguise, because it builds patience and focus that scrolling destroys. That's exactly why musicians stay sharp for life. So pick up an instrument, because slow progress here builds fast progress everywhere. 6. Drawing or sketching. Drawing isn't just art, it's attention training, because it forces you to actually see instead of glance. That's why artists notice details most people miss. So grab a pen and sketch something, because attention is the skill scrolling is quietly destroying. 7. Strength training. Strength training isn't just about muscle, it's about mental toughness, because pushing through resistance rewires how you handle difficulty everywhere else. That's exactly why disciplined lifters handle stress better. So lift something heavy, because a strong body builds a strong mind. 8. Learning a language. Learning a language isn't just useful, it's neuroplasticity in action, because it keeps your brain building new connections instead of decaying. That's why lifelong learners stay mentally sharp. So start with 10 words a day, because small daily reps build real fluency. 9. Gardening. Gardening isn't just outdoor time, it's patience training, because nothing grows instantly, and neither do you. That's exactly why gardeners handle delayed results better than most people. So grow one plant, because patience here becomes patience everywhere. 10. Writing. Writing isn't just expression, it's thinking made visible, because putting an idea into words forces you to actually understand it. That's why writers think more clearly than consumers. So write one page today, because clear writing creates a clear mind. 11. Puzzles and chess. Puzzles and chess aren't just games, they're problem-solving reps, because every move trains patience and strategic thinking. That's exactly why chess players stay calm under pressure. So play one game today, because a trained mind solves real problems faster. 12. Volunteering. Volunteering isn't just kindness, it's perspective training, because helping someone else instantly shrinks your own problems. That's why people who volunteer report less anxiety. So give an hour this week, because perspective is the cure for a scrolling mind. 13. Deep conversation. Deep conversation isn't just talking, it's connection training, because real conversation builds the human connection scrolling replaces with likes. That's exactly why people who talk deeply feel less alone. So call someone today instead of scrolling their story, because real connection beats every notification combined. These are the 13 hobbies that replace scrolling and improve your life. 13 tools, and each one builds something scrolling never will: focus, patience, connection, and growth. Because your phone isn't building your future, it's quietly stealing it one scroll at a time. So tonight, pick one, just one, because the moment you replace scrolling with building, your entire life starts moving forward again. If you're ready to break the scroll, comment "I'm ready" and subscribe to the Thig Chad, because that's where real transformation begins.